All right, so first week of trading in the bag, traded 4 out of the 5 days. I was profitable 3 out of the 4 days. The one day I wasn't profitable, I had a blown stop loss. I was trying to go long on a trade at the end of the day on Tuesday, and the market, just fluctuated in like a second. It just, it filled my order, my take profit. It touched my take profit, but didn't get filled in time. My stop loss didn't get in the ordered in time, and then like when after that quick second, I was down like 22 points. So just one of those things. What are you gonna do? It was only my second day. So I have my trade performance here, and I have my statement. I use Philip Capital, so I'll show you my statement just so you can see the percentage that I'm up. For the account, I started with $700, and right now we'll go over the trade performance. So my total net profit before commissions was about $70, so up about 10% on the account for the first week. So I'm pretty happy with that. It was good. I'm still getting over kind of some, just there's still a little part of me that's gets not nervous, but a little elevated, because rolling with real money. And I've been paper trading for 2 years, so I'm just hoping I'm going to take it slow for the first few weeks, just get really comfortable, and then start scaling the contracts up, because I definitely want to hit certain daily goals of net profits. So my gross profits were 135, my losses were 66, and 75% of that loss is from that blown stop loss. It was like $44. So just what are you gonna do? Or maybe it was 55, it looks like here. That was my max drawdown. So just one of those things that's just kind of annoying. So I took a day off and then hit it again and had my 2 biggest trades back to back, Thursday and Friday. So a number of trades, 10 trades. My commissions are about $1.05, $1.02. So about $10 in commissions. Percent profitable, 60%. So 6 for 10 out of this 4. One was basically break even. I was like a quarter point below, and then the other loss was that blown stop loss. So I really I'm happy with that. I think I played pretty well. So average trade is about $7. My average winning trade is $22. It's about 11 points, so I'm going to work on getting that up. I need to work on staying in the market longer and letting the trades run. My ratio is 1.3. I at least want to be 2 to 1. 3 to 1 would be ideal, but based on the 60%, if I'm 2 to 1, I'll always be profitable. So I just need to work on those numbers. Max winning 3 trades in a row, max losing 3. Largest win 40. It's 20 points. Largest losing trade 46. So that was the blown stop loss. So 23 points on that. About 3 trades a day. Average time in market, you see it's very low. And that's just me. I'm definitely missing out on more gains. I'm going for, I'm getting 10, 20 points, but there's some situations where I've taken, 5-point win, and it, the market could have been an easy 40 points if I had just relaxed and let the trade go. So it's something I'm going to work on next week, and it's just something to keep in mind, I think, for new traders too. Profit per month 420. So there's that. All right, let's look at we'll break down the long trades. So this is kind of messed up from that blown stop loss, but $62 gross for wins, 66 for losses, 50%. So I'm 8 for 4 going long. So definitely something to work on. And really with long trades, like I've been saying, just get in the trade, find a good entry point, and then let the trade, just let it go, let it ride. longer than I've been doing before. So that's the long. The shorts, a little bit better on short trading. I feel like I'm a little bit better at going short. I can get in and out. It's easy for me to spot where buyers aren't going to be, and that's kind of like my strategy is the absence of, I call like an absence of strategy. Like I make my entry points because there's going to be an absence of whatever the opposite direction. So if I'm going short, I'm looking for a position obviously in a downward market, but also where there's going to be a large gap of buyers. So if I'm going short, where's a good entry point where buyers are going to be either exiting their positions to cover, or where there's going to be no buyers, and then shorts pile on, and the market, I've noticed drops pretty significantly. So I've gotten good at shorting, and just need to really work on the long trade. So I was 2 for 2 for shorts, and largest was 40. It's like the average 2.5 minutes, so longer in shorts. Monthly profit would be 1,100. It's just a projection. It doesn't mean anything. So that's kind of the trade performance. So, but not, for the first week, I think I'm good. And like I said, I'm doing this just to show new traders. And I learned a lot from different YouTube personalities. But just to show that it is possible. Like I said, it took me about 2 years, trading on and off. But, consistently paper trading, not every day. But, just kind of part-time for 2 years solid. And then it just kind of finally clicked. For me, my style just clicked. Like, where can I enter a position where the opposite side is going to be covering and getting out? And I try to have those positions in kind of breakout positions. So it's kind of like a twofold strategy. Where's the breakout, and where people are going to be covering and not buying or not selling. So yeah, 60% profitable, 6 for 4, ending up 10% up on the account. So not bad. I don't think for the first week, traded 4 days. I'm happy with it. Obviously I want to continue on the growth though. So let's look at. So I use Philip Capital. I just blocked out some of this stuff. I don't know. I don't want some of my information out there, I guess. So I opened the account. I sent them a check on the 2nd, and then I didn't start trading till the 13th. So that was Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. This was the first week, so 700 to 758 after the commission. So it looks like $11 in commissions around there for 10 trades. So that is the my statement. Philip Capital. And I'll do like monthly statements as well. But yeah, that's it. That was my first week. And like I said, just to show that it is possible, and you're not going to make a ton of money right away, but you can scale up. I think quicker than there's just a big learning curve, and once you get over that curve, then you'll be able to scale up potentially, within a month or 2 months to where you can make, I think enough money that it would, be worth your time to do it full time. And that number could be anything. I mean, I do a lot of freelance contracting for companies, like setting appointments, doing like lead generation and stuff. So, someone's idea of a lot of money, it could be someone else's. But I mean, for me, if I even made, $600-700 a week, within the first 3 months, like to get to that level conservatively. That'd be really good. And then feeling really comfortable, really starting to scale, and then do the regular trade the NQ, $20 a point, and get to a level. I think my ultimate goals before I kind of reevaluate is to get to 400 a day. So it'd be 20 points on the NQ consistently, if I can consistently do that and manage it mentally, and then kind of reevaluate from there what I'm doing, and reinvest some of those earnings into options potentially, or kind of swing trading. I like swing trading stocks as well. But for me, I think the least risky form of trading is day trading and moving with the market, and just using price action, using a 21 EMA, and just looking and going with the market, what's happening, instead of trying to, even with swing trading or options, you're kind of, you're picking a point and saying you think it's going to be there. And for me, I think going with the flow and being in real time is the least risky thing to do. So that's it. That's the first week. I hope this is good stuff, and just kind of give you a little insight into real money trading, and just a benchmark for you to use, if you're thinking about getting into trading, or just seeing what other traders are doing. But I appreciate you stopping by for the video, and I'll be making more videos of the live trading I'm doing and other resources. So see you in the next video, and like and subscribe. It's good for the algorithms if you like this content, or you want to get notified when I make more videos, and appreciate it. All right, I'll see you in the next video.